Hello, my name is Avinash Misra, and today I am going to explain the topic cyber safety. In particular, I am going to explain the topic private browsing. Okay, so first we are going to explain what is cyber safety. Cyber safety refers to the safe and responsible use of internet so as to secure the personal information of a person and not posing threat to anybody else. Next, we are having private browsing. So, private browsing is a way to use the internet without revealing your search history. That means the website or the server doesn't know who you are and what are your credentials. It can be used as a tool by governments, journalists, and everyday security conscious surfers. In this way, one is not required to share his IP address, machine type, location, etc. to the browser. So, there are basically three types of private browsing which we are going to discuss. First one is incognito browsing. Second one, we are having proxy, and next we are having VPN. So this is an icon of incognito mode. So what is incognito browsing? Incognito browsing opens up a version of the browser that will not track your activity. It's particularly useful if you are entering sensitive data. For example, if you are doing any transaction and you have to enter your card details, then this is very useful. One example of this type of web browser is a DuckDuckGo. You can see this is the icon of DuckDuckGo. Next is VPN, Virtual Private Network. This is a method used to add security and privacy to private and public networks. For example, we use public Wi-Fi, etc. We offer hotspots to the people over the internet. And these are most often used by corporations to protect sensitive data. Nowadays, we can also have setup of VPN at home to protect ourselves and our information from hackers. Now, at last, we are having proxy. So, this is an image showing how the proxy system works. So, proxy works by acting as a middleman between your computer and the website you want to access. In this way, the tracking website will not get IP address and information that belongs to our real site. It will get all those informations for that proxy site which we are using. So, thank you.